Do that one. Go, go, go! Watch up there, Darren, right? Call him if you see him, right? Yeah.
How far up there are we up?
Centre line.
Centre line. Okay.
Yeah. I'm good. Yeah, keeping that boy on. John, it is keeping that.
Yeah.
Go to the look. Let me shoot that.
Push! Red team push! Hit! Show me!
Down. Same?
No.
Straight over there. See the little gap on your left. Big here, go to.
Darren!
You can get to the board. Hold it. Go ahead.
Yeah. I'll go push to there. Yeah, you get there.
Right.
Watch the wait for someone on your right.
We're pushed upwards.
You pushed up, yeah, we're pushed up.
Go on, Dave. Go. Boys, down there, John.
Mike out!
This is where it gets messy.
This is going to get very messy. You can see one just there, but where you're going to get them is a different thing.
He's moving, but I don't know if he took a hit or not.
Fuck.
Because if he did, he should be out of there. Right, pal, let's go.
Right, on you.
Yeah, there's something gone back already though.
You, Dave? Dead man coming out. On your right.
Yeah. Where is he?
Oh, nice shot, Kenny.
Yeah, here. Look.
Good shot, mate. Single fire, lads.
Yeah, two shot each other at the same time, me and Mick. Yeah.
Yeah. We could hear them talking.
Yeah, no, I was like, lovely, you're coming close and I was not
Someone got
moving.
me pistol, I was like, bollocks! And then I'd pop my head out some fella coming with a helmet.
You ain't got a fucking thing, Tim. Behind the car, are you now? Second off. James, number one rule is going to be never react to it. What's the story with Grenade?
Get dud. Cheers.
Yeah, no, it's just...
Oh, fuck it.
Hang on, yeah, sorry.
He was a dud.
Fucking bastard. First one went off, rapid.
I know. Yeah, thanks for that. Kept on fire, sorry mate.